Hey, what's up YouTube? This video I'm going to be unboxing and probably speeding through the setup and then doing some testing on this Andonstar AD249S-M Plus 10.1 inch digital microscope. And I paid about $210 for this, and reason I got this one is I had a smaller one, but my hot air gun wouldn't fit underneath it, so doing some EEPROM stuff, it didn't work real well. It was nice to check my work, so I'm kind of hoping this one I get the hot air gun under it, do up my soldering as well as check work on it. So let me go ahead and just jump to my desk here, and I will go ahead and get to unboxing everything. All right, so we'll go ahead and dive into the box. And first thing we got is a quick start guide, and I'll probably review that and do a quick setup on it. User manual, which I'll probably review off camera. I'll get that packaging out of here. We have our it's like our screen, our monitor. And it already has the A lens attached to it, which according to some research I did is for looking at like coins and stuff. And there's also two more lenses that are going to be in here somewhere. And one of the post for it. Now this here is to hold slides if you want to look at, I don't know, leaves or something. I got a bug box here if you want to catch some bugs and check those out under the microscope. Your actual slides, and some random hardware there, maybe just to hold things on the slides. Not really sure on that. We got our wall charger, USB-C, and a block here. And it does come with its own 32 gig SD card, which is nice, but I do have a name brand one I'm going to probably use instead of that one. And then just some more some knobs here. We'll figure that out during setup. And I got our L lens, and this is the one that you're going to be using for soldering, so this will be the one I'm normally going to be using. And then also the one they have the D lens, and I think that one maybe is for coins or something possibly. Remote control. And this is our base here with its own storage and things in it. And I feel like this might come apart, yep, like so. And actually labeled left and right. These are to go around your stations. You can, I guess, store different things. Another USB cable for connecting something. This is going to be probably the back two pieces here. There's front and back. Well, it says left and right also, so I guess we'll figure that out too if I end up using those. And I have a pretty decent setup now, just no digital microscope. And I was going to just rifle this across the room, but there's more stuff in there. All right, so that's all it's in there, so we can get that out of here. And we got our helping hands here. It's kind of neat. It's actually going to go around those support poles, so you got your two helping hands to hang on to things. And we got our rubber mat. That's going to hold the lens and everything it's looking like. And our base. It's not super heavy, but it's decent weight, and it's going to be magnetic too. So if you have magnetic holders, which I do have, that they'll stick to this. And we got a couple of LED lights on it. Now the other one I had, these lights weren't worth a crap, but maybe this one's going to be better. I guess we're going to find that out after I get it set up. Then we got one more, some kind of support piece, and then I don't know what this is. I guess just a cable to turn, maybe control the lights probably. And so I'm going to go ahead and get this thing set up here, and then we'll do some testing on it. All right, we got it all set up here, and just want to show you these things that go behind it on the sides. They actually do kind of interlock together, which is kind of neat. So you can set these up however you want. I may not even end up using these because I already have a halfway decent setup for my stuff here, which when I move it into the soldering room to do some soldering, we'll check that out. Right now, I just want to test it out. Got a circuit board here. It's got a Volkswagen cluster. Let's see if we can just turn it on. And we got an EEPROM chip right here. We'll see if we can get that under the scope here and take a look at it. So see if I can zoom out. Now there's our EEPROM chip right there. And you see that really nicely. All right, that's enough fooling around with this here. Let me go ahead and get it set up in my actual soldering room, and we'll see if we can get that EEPROM off and put it back on here just for testing it out and record some video. All right, so I got it set up on my little soldering area here. I'm going to have to do some kind of cable management probably, which I'll deal with at a later date. And this right here, turns out this is actually a tool holder. I'm probably going to take that off. I think it's just going to get in my way. And I'm probably not going to use those compartments, but they are there if you do want to use them. But right now, we're ready to go and try to get this EEPROM off, and I'll record it on the microscope. All right, so I popped it off without recording on the microscope, so I just stuck it back on there real quick, real rough here. And if anybody's worried about it, don't. This is just a practice board, no big deal. We're now recording on the microscope, so we'll go and we'll take it off again here. Put some flux on there this time. And plenty of room here for my air gun, which is what I wanted. That was my problem with the last one of these that I had. All right, got our EEPROM off. Some beam extraction going. And let's go ahead and clean this up a little bit here. And we'll go ahead and tin up the pads and put the EEPROM back. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed that. I think this thing is actually insanely cool. I never did get the remote control to work, so I'll mess with that later. Maybe I just got a bad one, but you don't seem to really need it. I don't know. I think also my first time really trying to solder under a microscope like that. It's really neat that you can see the joints, but it's definitely something I need to work on. I think that's really all I got for this. I'm going to put links in the description to everything in the video. You know, we got the microscope, soldering station, fume extractor. Everything's going to be in the description. Feel free to check it all out. And I can't think of anything else to really add to this. If you guys have any questions or comments, put them in the comments. And until next time, we'll talk to everybody later.